Indian pacer Jasprit Bumrah's journey to cricketing superstardom is a testament to perseverance, skill and of course not to forget the unique bowling style that has redefined fast bowling in modern day cricket. Born in Ahmedabad, Gujarat on December 6, 1993 to a Punjabi Sikh family, Bumrah's early life was shaped by the loss of his father when he was just 7 years old. Raised by his mother, Diljit, who worked as a school principal, Bumrah's journey into cricket began at a tender age in the bustling Mumbai suburb of Malad. From his early days, Bumrah showed promise with his unique bowling action, characterized by a slingy release and a high arm follow-through. Despite initial doubts, his talent could not be denied. He honed his skills at prestigious MRF Cricket Academy, where his ability to swing the ball with accuracy and pace stood out. His breakthrough came in the domestic circuit, notably during the 2013 season, where he took an impressive 48 wickets for Mumbai in just 9 matches. This caught the attention of the Mumbai Indians, who signed him for a significant sum of $1.8 million in the IPL auction that year. Bumrah's international debut in 2016 against Australia marked the beginning of a stellar career in the limelight. His ability to deliver yorkers with precision, swing the ball both ways and bowl consistently close to 150 km per hour made him a formidable force in all formats of the game. His performance against top batsmen like David Warner and Steve Smith announced his arrival on the global stage. Despite setbacks, including a back injury that required surgery and caused him to miss significant matches, Bumrah's determination never wavered. His rehabilitation at the National Cricket Academy in Bangalore was through, ensuring he returned stronger than before. His comeback in Test cricket was particularly noteworthy, exemplified by his impactful spells, including a memorable performance in Cape Town where he took crucial wickets to keep India's hope alive in the season. Notably, his performance in Cape Town in 2018 highlights his competence in Test cricket, where he delivered a memorable spell of 6 for 61 to restrict South Africa's lead down to 79. His ability to maintain focus and deliver under pressure solidifies his reputation as one of the cricket's finest bowlers. In 28 Test matches, Bumrah now has 8 5-wicket hauls outside Asia. Kapil Dev has one more, but it took him 45 games. Off the field, Bumrah is known for his calm demeanour and infectious smile, a stark contrast to the typical aggressive persona associated with fast bowlers. He draws inspiration from Swedish footballer Zlatan Ibrahimovic, using doubt as fuel to prove his critics wrong time and again. At 30 years in his relatively short career thus far, Bumrah has already achieved feats that many aspire to achieve in a lifetime. With numerous 5-wicket hauls in challenging conditions outside Asia, he continues to rewrite records and redefine the art of fast bowling. His journey from the streets of Ahmedabad to becoming India's spearhead bowler is a demonstration of his spirit and passion for the sport.